what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm gonna be teaching you me and Kaycee's choreography for China by pretty much every artist ever. This is like an intermediate advanced routine. It's super fun. Once you get it down, we wanna see your covers. Make sure you find us on Instagram because we're gonna be reposting a bunch of you guys. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we're dropping new tutorials as often as possible. It's a little tough in the summer because I'm on the road a lot, but every chance I get when I choreograph something new, always trying to bring you guys new videos. So if you're ready to learn this one, let's get to the choreography right now. So for this one, starting off, you're gonna step out on your right foot. Your hands are gonna come up like this. Then you're gonna take your right foot across and put your right hand across your body like this. So it starts off kind of quick right away. It's 6, 7, 8. You're going 1 and a 2 and. Then when you pull this back, you're gonna go 3 E and. So my left hand switches with my right as it pulls. You go whoop, ba, ba. Then you're gonna drop down, feet to come together. You're going here to come up. So first 8 counts really fast. You go 6, 7, 8, you hit 1 and a 2 and D-D-da, su-ga, D-D-da. That's 3 E and. Yeah, so make that really sharp. 3 E and, then you're scooping 4 and. Now we're gonna go around 5 around your head. You go 6 and you're gonna go stop, then 2 grooves, a small one and then a bigger one. And you can sort of groove this how you want. As you see, I'm using my wrist to direct my body into this groove. But the biggest thing is you wanna make this boom, boom, stop really clean so that I see this hold and then groove and groove. Then from here, you're gonna pull up twice. It's gonna go click, click. Then you're gonna step on your right foot and go da, da, da. So I'm just taking my weight forward. Your hands go out and out. You're gonna hop this foot back. You're gonna throw right, left. So just a little whoop, whoop. Then from here, you're gonna catch it down. You're gonna go groove and groove. So my arms are left and right, and my knees just sort of bounce in, stop. There's a stop here because I'm gonna take my shoulders up, up. That's right, left, left. Then my right heel is gonna go with my head out, in. So let's do just up to there one time from the top. 6, 7, 8. You go 1 and a 2 and 3 E and 4 and 5, 6 and run, go and go. This is 2 and 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 7. Tap, tap, whop, whop. Nice. Now, from here, we're gonna go into a body roll. Pull this back. Your hips are gonna come around and you're gonna go out and back in. So this is gonna go boom, da, boom, boom, da. So you're just stepping right and right. Then you're gonna go left, right, left, stepping onto your left. You're gonna go up, down. Then you're gonna bring your feet together and go whoop around your head this way. So look. So this sequence, after we did ti-ti-ta-ta, it goes 1, 2 is the hips, 3 and 4 and left, right, left, up, down, whoop, and a click, click. And you're gonna hear it in the music. There's literally click, click, so you know where you're on time. Then you're gonna go into a groove. You're gonna go right and left and right and turn. You're gonna turn on that left foot. So before we turn, let's get this groove. So your right hand is sort of steering this groove again, right? So I'm going right and left and right. And then when I put my weight on this left, I'm gonna turn on it. I'm gonna use my left arm to help me turn over my right shoulder. Whoop. Here, I'm gonna step out, find your balance. I'm gonna step out on it. You're gonna go right, left, right. So 3 punches, D-D-D. Then you're gonna go head, head. So notice how my arms, they don't move with it. You wanna tut, hold that still and just go click, click. Then you're gonna bring this around and down. Then you're gonna go and bring it up to the center. And that's right before the beat drops for the chorus. So that's a lot of the routine. So let's go back and do this slowly from the very top. Starting on our 1, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. You hit 1 and a 2 and 3 E and 4 and 5. 6 and stop, ooh yeah, and 1, 2 and 3 E and 4 and 5 and a 7, T-T-Ta-Ta, 1, 2, this is 3 and 4 and ta-ta-ta, up, down, zoom, and a click, click, 1, 2, 3 and 4, ta-ta-ta, head, head, and down, brah. Nice, so if you got it up to there, I'm gonna teach you guys the last part real quick, but remember, you can always rewind it But don't forget to push yourself. So if you think like, okay, I kind of have it, I think I can go on, good, just go on. Don't go back over it too many times because you want to, every time you do a tutorial, get faster and faster at picking up the choreography. So we're here, 8, you're hitting, 1, you land 2, just jump back a little bit, you're gonna go left, right. So my hands are going down, pull, tap, tap. Then you're gonna throw this across, you're gonna go whoop, then you're gonna go ka, ka. So there's 2 slides, I'm going left, right, just a little glide. The first one, 1, 2, and close my fist. 3, then I'm gonna stutter this one, ta, ta. Then I'm gonna go throw, and I'm gonna go groove, groove. So the feet are knee comes up, and then the next 2 I'm just sliding and my hands roll towards my body, up. Then I press down, click. You're gonna go out with both hands, ta, ta, come back in. Elbows up. So this is gonna go doom, that's gonna go boom, ta, 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 ta. It's kind of fast here. So down you go, out, in, up. Then you're gonna release this, base, open up all the way. Then you're gonna grab this after a body roll. It's gonna go, and you're gonna grab it. And I make that sound because actually in the music, it sounds like a bird almost, like, and you grab it here, look at it. Then your head's gonna go zoop to the front, and you're gonna go, click, click, you, and push yourself around. So this is like controlling your chest is kind of what I'm thinking about. So I'm here, I'm going click, click, boom, pushing it around, and that's gonna send me into this last groove, and we're almost to the end. So let's do just one time, let's catch it from the chorus where the beat drops 1 and a ta-ta, and then we'll go over the last part. You go 7, 8, this is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, this is 7, 8, you go 1, 2, and 3, 4, look 6, click, click, push, you go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, oh, I didn't teach you that part yet. I guess I should teach you that. D-da. From here, easy though. You're just literally grooving through this here, groove back here, go forward and push. So my arm is going wave, wave, push, through. You're here, you're gonna step on your right heel, you're gonna go right, left, then you're just gonna go what? And I kind of snake my head a little on that. The rhythm is bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. So there's that like dun, dun, dun that you're catching. Then last sequence, you're just gonna drop down, your hands are gonna cross, and you're gonna go left, right, left, shoom. So when you do this, like a pas de bourrée here, zoom, you're going left, right, left, down. Then from here, I'm going heels, toes, pull, pull. So heel, toe, pull, pull, and that's kind of fast. This goes 2 and 3. This goes and 4, and then you're gonna throw this back, look away. Then you come back to the front, Then from here, you're gonna have 4 beats. So the first one, you're gonna throw it away here with your left hand. Then you're gonna look back to the front, clean on the second one. The third one is kind of freestyle. So I like looked at Kaycee, she did a pose, whatever. Then on the fourth one, everyone's gonna come together, click and bring your arms up like a, because we're gonna hit down on the bass, boom, and it's gonna send you into this rock. And that's it, that's the whole routine. A lot of choreography, but I know you guys got it all up here. Now, if you're saying like, oh my gosh, I can't remember the whole thing, it's just gotta sink in a little bit. We need a little repetition. So let's do it from the very top. We're gonna go slow. Put the whole thing together. You remember the first step? There it is. There it is. That's how you got it. 5. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. You hit 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and stop. Ooh yeah. And 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and zoop. 6 and a 7. Got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Go. Ta ta ta. Up, down, zoom, and a click, click. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Deep, bop, bop, and down. Boom. 2, and 3, 4, and knee, and pull. Up, you go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Look, a tick, tick, whoa, around. 1, 2, this is 3, 4. Heel and heel, last part, here we go, drop 1, 2, and 3, ta, ta, ba, ba, 1, wop, whatever. Come up, boom, 2, 3, then you can freestyle. We did a little groove, then we did this thing, cause we were feeling dumb. Bow! That's the whole piece. I hope you're feeling a little better now that we went through the whole thing slow. You know what time it is now though. We gotta take it all the way up to speed. A little bit faster than that. Okay, it's like maybe almost twice as fast as that, but you're gonna be okay, I got you. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. We say 1 and a 2 and D-D-da, shoo, ha, 5, 6 and, ooh yeah, and 1, 2 and D-D-da, 4 and 5, and a 7, D-D-wah, wah, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and D-D-D, up, down, zoom, and a cut, cut, 1, 2, 3 and 4, T-T-T, pop, pop, and down. Whoop. 1, 2, and 3, ta, ta, woo. 6 and 8, 1, 2, and 3. Brrr, 6, a click, click. Last part. 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, 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 and a zoom, zoom, hit, and a 1, 2, and 3, ta, ta, ha, ha, 5, 6, whatever. Hit, boom, 2, 3, 4. You can add a little freestyle if you want, and shoot. Yeah. All right, guys, good job today. Killed the routine. I'm out of breath. Hopefully you are too. I can't wait to see your cover videos. Make sure you tag us in them. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you for the next tutorial real soon.